Alright guys, well the headlights are all done and everything. So we're gonna turn them on so you guys can see how they look. I'm gonna just go ahead and unlock the truck. See? And that's when locking it. Then I'm gonna turn it on now. There it is with the, oh shit. There it is with the headlights, and then it came with LED bulbs, so. See, and there it is. Alright, that's our highlights. See? So it looks good now. And then prenda las fog lights. Vente a apagar las highlights. Ahí, otra vez. Ahí está. Alright guys, so there's the, see? I bought those factories LED fog lights as well. Now it matches perfect. So you guys could see the cutoff on the lights. It's perfect. Let me turn off those fog lights so you guys see that. That's with the fog lights off. Then let me turn on the fog lights. That's with fog lights on. See, that's how it looks from the inside. Alright guys, so this is a quick video. See, that's how the lights look at night. See, it has factory LED fog lights and those aftermarket LED headlights that I got off eBay. And it has LED bulbs in it. See, let me show you guys how it lights up the street. See, it lights up pretty good. So I would say about a quarter of a block or more. And that's how it looks when it's the turn signal is on.